Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole Vlogs today. As you can see, I'm in Adopt Me channel, and Adopt Me just posted 11 hours ago the Lampet Store information about me on Roblox. That is gonna be so exciting. So now we will watch it. So guys, let's watch the video now.
What better way to end the month than with a celebration of Easter in spring?
Wow, that's so cute.
Easter
Oh,
update because the ocean
that
is looking
egg is in the
just
like the
another
cave
excuse
of
to have an
the
extra celebration this month.
camp shop
This
in
update
the
includes
bent
all
of
of
it.
these fun
When you go there,
accessories
the Mr. Egg. That's the Mr.
and
Egg.
limited
Oh my
premium
god!
pet box.
Wow, Easter
Click behind
egg
the egg hub to
glasses.
collect enough eggs to buy all the accessories of
Wow,
Easter.
egg Easter egg. You can get them. Oh, there is a cute crown. The glasses, the one of I really like in this. Oh, it's so Easter bunny bed, Easter bunny fridge.
At 8 a.m. PT, 11 a.m. ET, and 4 p.m. BST. Search 4 p.m. BST local time to find out what time that'll be for you.
OMG! This is so amazing. I'm so excited at this update. I'm really excited for this. Look at that, the Lampet. There is a new pet in the screen. A Lampet and a new furniture. Easter fridge, Easter bed. Oh my god, that's so cute and amazing. And it's another new update because the Easter update last day ago, it didn't work on because it was too late. But now Adopt Me is working on this now, but it